Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 15th of April. First of all, national news. Nagaland bans mass casual leave. Stir of talks. The government said a mass casual leave is likely to cause severe disruption in health services. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Khattar on Thursday announced that the state is planning to come up with an institute to train drone pilots. India stable and united due to B.R. Ambedkar's constitution, Sharad Pawar. 4 Lashkar terrorists killed in encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian. Drone Pilot Training Institute to come up in Haryana. 325 new COVID cases in Delhi on 14th April, highest in 40 days. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority or DDMA will hold a meeting on April 20th. And now some international news. Pakistan Army rejected Imran Khan's foreign conspiracy charge. Some people more equal than others. WHO chief criticized the coverage of the war in Ukraine, calling it racist. Pak Army chief to retire, nothing to do with politics, spokesman said. Ready to take China ties to higher level, Pakistan PM Shehbaz Sharif. And now some sports news. IPL 2022. Rohit Sharma became second Indian batter to reach huge milestone in T20 cricket. Manchester United appointed consultants for Old Trafford redevelopment. IPL 2022, former England cricketer made big claim about Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals have had a good start to the season. And the next is weather news. All India rainfall normal declines to 87 centimeters, weather offers. And that's all for today. Thank you to all of you.